am Marie Curie, born Maria Skłodowska, on November 7, 1867 in Warsaw, under a sky heavy with dreams of knowledge. From childhood, I watched my mother lecture in clandestine meetings and felt a fire spark in me, the relentless desire to see what others could not. Denied entry to the university in my homeland, I embarked on an odyssey to Paris in 1891, clutching a simple suitcase and vest. Ambition. At the Sorbonne, in cold, drafty halls, I studied physics and mathematics, often faint with hunger, yet driven by a singular thought: uncover the hidden forces of nature. By 1898, my tiny laboratory, stacked with rusty flasks and lead-lined boxes, became the birthplace of two new elements, polonium and radium. I remember the night I peered through the electrometer's glow, heart racing as the numbers climbed beyond any known substance. When radium crystals glimmered faintly blue in the beam of my lamp, I felt the weight of possibility shift the world's axis. In 1903, I became the first woman to win a Nobel Prize in Physics, sharing the honor for pioneering research on radiation. Yet, recognition was hard-won. Whispers of Stendhal when I married Pierre Curie, battles against prejudice in lecture halls where my voice quivered but never broke. In 1911, I stood alone to claim my second Nobel in chemistry, more determined than ever to prove science knows no gender. My colleagues dubbed me Madame Curie for the eerie glow that clung to my freshly isolated radium, and my notebooks still sparkle in the archives, silent witnesses to nights spent dancing on the edge of discovery. When the First World War erupted, I converted curiosity to compassion, designing mobile X-ray units that traveled to the front lines, easing soldiers' suffering with every image revealed. Even as my health faltered under radioactive dust, I pressed on, convinced that every risk carried a beacon of human progress. On July 1st, 1934, after a lifetime spent in dangerous pursuit of truth, I drew my final breath in Saint-Lamos. Yet the glow of radium lives on, and so does my legacy, a testament to the power of steadfast curiosity and the courage to illuminate the unknown.